Hello, Ross here with ShareMyStars. Thank you so much for being a subscriber and testing out the Trust widget. We have a lot of exciting features coming up, and I'm actually here to share a couple of updates with you. Uh, that have happened even over the course of the last week. So I'm just going to get straight into it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back out. So first thing is being able to display the Trust widget on specific pages and not others. So we actually added this feature, and I just wanted to show you how it works. It's pretty simple. Um, so if you want to add the Trust widget to specific pages and not others, you can now come to the Embedded on Your Site tab of the Trust widget. And then rather than having all pages selected, you would simply select certain pages and then type in the URLs of the pages that you want to share. So let's say that I wanted to share it on the home page and I also wanted to share it on the pricing page. You literally just put in line by line the URLs you want to show it. After speaking with people and then making an assumption that the list of pages you want to show it is likely shorter than the list of pages you don't want to show it, this is how we built this out. But it's very cool, so you can put it just only on specific pages and not others. Okay, so that is one exciting update that we have. Let me show you the next one. So a lot of you guys have had questions, a lot of simple questions, some a little bit more complicated, but we actually built out an AI agent chatbot that is programmed on everything ShareMyStars. And the reason we did this was because sometimes people were sending us messages at, 9, 11, 1 in the morning, and that's the time that you need to get stuff done. And so you don't want to wait for us to do this. And so someone would ask the question like, how do I change the color of the stars in the widget? So rather than waiting around for us to be able to give you a response, we built out this chatbot that, and you'll see here in a second, is going to give you the appropriate answer immediately, relatively. It takes a second for it to think, but it's searching our database and then it actually will go out on the internet to find the answer. So to change the color of stars in the widget, you can do so within the app itself, navigate to this, customize the widget, watch a tutorial. So it's going to give you a link to the video. So that's pretty cool. And then the other thing that I just wanted to mention real quick is just kind of like a pro tip. People have been asking us, and I've mentioned this in a couple of videos, how can you utilize the widget, to get more sales? So as I've said before, if someone is taking the time to come to your website, to click on your Trust widget and read your reviews, that means that they're really serious or potentially very serious about purchasing from you. I mean, when was the last time you really read reviews and you weren't seriously considering something, buying that product? Like, why else would you read the reviews? So if people are there on that review pane, okay, the thing that slides out, the review pane, if they're there, I really encourage you to give them some sort of discount code. This is something I tested over years. It really, really works. And so if you have the ability to give them a discount code, do that. The other thing I wanted to share with you is just changing the shape of the widget. So a lot of people I've noticed, are using the widget in just a pillow shape, okay? But you can actually change the shape to a rectangle and then curve the borders. You can also curve the borders enough to make it more of like a pill button. I kind of like it with just a rectangle with some rounded corners, but that's neither here nor there. I just wanted to make sure that everyone knew about that feature because, as far as branding goes and the look and feel, I just wanted you to know. Anyway, thank you so much. I absolutely am so grateful to everyone who's on our platform. We have some really exciting features coming out to empower small business owners. That's what we're all about here. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Let's get out there and make things happen. See you later.